Hi guys, this is second last practice and we're barely finishing our Hmong routine.
Guys, I'm getting my braces. I'm getting my braces tomorrow. Thursday is tomorrow, and I'm getting my braces. So I'm gonna have my braces well. Can you see me? Huh? Yeah. Hey guys, it's Haley P. Haley P Cam. Haley P Cam. Try again. I thought they called my name, but it is the Wednesday of Madison week.
This is the second last practice.
Second last practice is what I meant to say, guys. I get lost. Oh, okay. Bye guys.
Get some water, and then let's do one more time so we can pour my phone.
Fit check. So I got my props. Y'all see that? Look at this. Do a 360. Spin. Ooh, wait, I was supposed to zoom out. Oops. Really? This quality is so good. It's fun to play with.
Do you guys remember your bow?
Yeah.
Hey, make sure you guys are very sassy, okay? Mom, do your beginning like pose. I'm gonna fix you guys. Can you guys lean more? The other way, yeah, opposite from your hand. Yep, opposite. Like this is how a lot of you guys look. A lot of you guys look just like this. I want you guys to be like that. Okay? It makes a difference. Yeah, I want you guys to stick your booty out more.
What?
Do it, just do it.
What is she talking about?
Yes. Do it. Let me see. Do it. I'll show you guys. 5, 6, 7, 8, and snake. Do it again. 6, 7, 8, and snake. Do it again. Bring your leg. Yeah. Bring your leg forward. That way you can snake it. No. Bring this leg forward. Bring your left leg forward. Yeah, and then snake it. Yeah. It's just like these. Yeah, like that. Okay, let me see. Okay, ready? Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8, and snake it in. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8, and snake it in. Yeah. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, right leg first. You guys need a pause.
T-minus 1 day before competition, and this is what we're looking like. Yeah, we're just kind of working on like. Wow, my skin looks so nice. We're just kind of working on our final touches on our outfits. Like some moms are helping. Our pops for our new Hmong dance. Stay tuned for that Sunday. Y'all gonna see me in the Hmong movies. But yeah, guys. So we're gonna practice our Moonlight Tianzi dance.
That we haven't done it like forever.
Okay, everyone ready? We haven't done it forever, but we still got it in us, guys. Okay, bye guys. We're gonna go practice. Val's camera's about to die, but hi guys. Update. We're finished with Tiger. This is us now. We're gonna do Maycon. This is all night before competition. Yeah, guys. Should we go interview people? Okay, yeah. Oh, hey. How are you feeling 1 out of 10?
Yeah.
Good, Chai Chai.
Why?
Cause school. I don't know. I'm scared, but I'm excited and then I'm sad. So basically, I'm bipolar.
Why?
But please don't post this, cause I literally look crazy. So like, if you do, put like a picture of me.
How you feeling?
I feel fine. It's not hitting me yet. But I think tomorrow I'll be scared.
Okay. Yeah, me too. How about you? How you feeling?
Hi, chat. I'm feeling really, really excited and confident.
That's good. How about you, Jalen?
I feel good.
Good? Okay.
You feel excited. Diane, how you feeling? I feel pretty good. I'm nervous. I'm kind of scared, but I think we got this. Positive. I like it. Sven? How you feeling?
I think we got it. I feel pretty good, kind of.
That's good. That's good. What about you, Sadie? How are you feeling?
I feel more excited than scared. Guys, I got my braces.
Cheese.
Montage. Yep.
Emily, how are you feeling? Well, we're gonna be in Madison in a couple of hours.
Yes.
That's so exciting. It feels really unreal, and we've been working really hard because we gotta bring our A game.
Yes, I like that. I like that.
Okay.
Thanks.
Bye, guys.
Oh, bye from Emily.
Ready? Hello? How are you feeling?
Tired.
What time is it? Time check. It's 9:42, guys. Cindy's tired. How do you feel about this weekend?
I'm excited, but I'm just tired.
Me too. Who didn't I do? Oh, Nolly.
Girl, I feel like I'm making
Nolly last. How are you feeling?
I feel okay. Kind of tired and scared. I'm not scared for tomorrow.
Oh.
I'm scared for
Round two? Specifically or just Sunday?
just Sunday.
Oh. Okay, me too.
But otherwise, I feel good.
Okay, bye guys.
Hey, I didn't get interviewed.
Olivia, why don't you put your okay, Olivia, go put your
How do you...
do it real quick. Go do it.
How do you feel? I feel good. I'm very excited.
That's good.
My mama is yelling at me. I have to go put my blue outfit on because I still have my white one. Hi.
We hadn't vlogged all day because we were too busy.
I vlogged when it was outside. Hi guys. So this is day 1 of Madison, and we're all ready.
Wait, should we grab the leaves instead? Are they in the room already? The ribbon leaf?
Okay, let's go back. We're gonna go back and get our pops.
It's so
This way.
cold.
Yeah, it's really cold. But guys, we're just doing our tiger dance today, and then we're gonna come back and practice our other 2 dances. Yeah, we're gonna see if our pops are in the car still, or if they're in the room. We don't know.
What was that?
Guys, you didn't see that. Oh, 안녕하세요, 쇼걸.
Show your new look.
What do you mean new look?
It's cute. Okay, the camera's not gonna get everyone, so I'll just. Okay, so the music system is not that good. The sound system, it's like it's gonna be a hit and miss. I can't tell you guys how your song's gonna sound like, but make sure you guys just really try to read each other on the stage. Okay, try to read each other. Try to read each other on the stage, and then a lot of energy, okay? A lot of energy, and you guys have to exit out the other side. That's it. And then when you guys are done doing that, bring the props back over here where your shoes. Let's put the props down and let's go back. good. You guys did really good. I know you're gonna be sad, but it's okay. You did really good. You guys did really good. You guys are really clean. It's like I know it's not hard to hear, but you guys, but it was like clean. Like it was like beside. Yeah. It was clean. Because my door's gonna fall. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know it is. I tried to tell him to up it up.
Did someone drop their whipping?
Yeah, but it's okay. You guys did good. You guys are really clean.
It doesn't matter.
You guys are really clean. Okay.
Yeah, I take that shit. You guys wrong.
You guys did really good.
How do you?
I'll show you guys.
You're amazing.
Yeah.
I got my whipping.
Yeah, I was gonna.
Hey, you guys are fucking.
But you guys did really good. Okay. Be proud of you. Be proud of yourself. You guys did really good. You guys did really good. It's day 2. We didn't get to vlog much yesterday because we got really busy and I left my camera. So I'm gonna attempt to vlog more today instead. So yeah, it's currently 5:24. We dance at 9 and I have to check in at 8. So I'm going down to get the girls ready. So I'll see you later.
I'm so slow. I'm so slow today.
What happened to your thing?
I don't know.
What do you mean you don't know?
I slept with it and then I woke up and it turned out to be flat. So flat this morning that I was like pushing it.
She's not too good.
This girl always be sleeping like she
sleep
got
anytime,
like
anywhere.
no back.
We're at Madison New Year for our round 2. We're waiting for some of the girls to come. This is the New Year. Oh my neck piece. But yeah, we're waiting for some of the girls to come in so we can go check in together. Yeah. Bye guys.
So we just got done practicing. How do you guys feel?
Great. We got it.
Okay, let's do an outfit check quickly.
Let's do what?
Let's do an outfit check. Okay.
Good check.
Oh, they came off.
Okay.
100% real.
Okay.
A really good feeling about
check.
this song.
Oh yeah. Come over here.
Hi guys. I'm Sarang. It's 1:48 and they're just now starting the mini elite team performances. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys. Are you recording?
Yeah, it's recording. How does this work? Oh.
Hey! This is us before competition. Any announcements? Hi guys. So how are you guys feeling? I'm feeling excited but tired.
Are you girls excited?
Yeah.
Are you guys excited?
How you feeling? How you feeling? Good? How you feeling? Nervous? Nervous? Nervous. How you feeling, Emily? Cold. How you feeling, Amelia? I'm cold.
Hello everyone. I am so happy and so excited that you guys are
Hi guys, I'm so excited. I'm so happy and I'm not nervous at all. You know how I'd be like, I'm nervous. I'm not nervous. I'm so happy.
So,
How you feeling?
I'm excited, guys.
sorry for the
Hey Cheyenne, how you feeling?
Tired. I just woke up.
Even hold on, I'm not even done yet. But even if we don't win, we have Walsall. So,
The first
but I think we did really good today.